What if the legendary Ford Explorer came back stronger, smarter, and more powerful than ever before? Well, that's exactly what Ford appears to be delivering with the all-new 2027 Ford Explorer. This latest version isn't just another refresh, it's a bold evolution of one of America's favorite SUVs, with aggressive styling, an upgraded luxury, inspired interior, advanced technology, and a powerful V6 engine under the hood. The 2027 Explorer is ready to take on everything from family road trips to weekend adventures. If you're a fan of capable SUVs that blend performance with everyday comfort, you're going to want to stick around because this new Explorer has a lot to offer. At first glance, the 2027 Explorer immediately grabs your attention with a more muscular and confident appearance. The redesigned front fascia features a larger grille with a striking mesh pattern, flanked by slimmer LED headlights that give the SUV a sharper, more modern face. The sculpted hood adds an extra layer of aggression, while the redesigned front bumper improves both style and aerodynamics. Along the sides, bold character lines, larger wheel options, and blacked-out trim create a premium yet rugged look. Around the back, redesigned LED taillights stretch wider across the tailgate, giving the Explorer a more upscale appearance. Dual exhaust outlets and a sporty rear diffuser complete the athletic design, making this SUV look ready for any challenge. Step inside, and the cabin feels significantly more refined than before. Ford has focused on premium materials, improved craftsmanship, and a cleaner dashboard layout that immediately feels more luxurious. The centerpiece is a massive infotainment display running Ford's latest SYNC system, offering faster response times, wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, navigation, and over-the-air software updates. A fully digital instrument cluster provides customizable driving information, while a redesigned center console offers additional storage and wireless smartphone charging. Comfortable seating for up to 7 passengers makes the Explorer perfect for growing families, and available leather upholstery, heated and ventilated front seats, ambient lighting, and a panoramic sunroof add an extra touch of luxury. Rear passengers also benefit from increased legroom and additional USB-C charging ports, making long trips more enjoyable for everyone. Under the hood is where the biggest excitement begins. The 2027 Ford Explorer is expected to feature a powerful V6 engine that delivers impressive horsepower and strong torque for confident acceleration. Whether you're merging onto the highway, towing a trailer, or climbing steep mountain roads, this SUV promises smooth and effortless performance. A refined 10-speed automatic transmission helps maximize both power delivery and fuel efficiency. Buyers can expect rear-wheel drive as standard, with Ford's intelligent all-wheel drive system available for enhanced traction in rain, snow, or off-road conditions. The suspension has also been retuned to deliver a smoother ride while maintaining responsive handling through corners. Multiple drive modes allow drivers to adapt the vehicle for different road conditions, making the Explorer equally capable in the city and on rugged terrain. Towing capacity is also expected to remain one of the strongest in its class, making it an excellent choice for campers, boat owners, and outdoor enthusiasts. Safety continues to be one of the Explorer's strongest selling points. The latest Ford Co-Pilot 360 suite is expected to include adaptive cruise control, blind spot monitoring, lane keeping assist, automatic emergency braking, rear cross-traffic alert, and an advanced 360-degree camera system. New driver assistance features may also include hands-free highway driving technology on compatible roads, bringing even greater convenience during long-distance travel. As for pricing, while Ford has not officially confirmed final numbers, industry expectations suggest the 2027 Ford Explorer could start around $40,000 for the base model, with higher trims featuring premium equipment reaching well over $60,000. Considering the upgraded design, powerful V6 performance, improved technology, and family-friendly practicality, the new Explorer appears ready to deliver outstanding value in the competitive midsize SUV segment. It combines rugged capability, everyday comfort, and modern innovation into one impressive package, making it one of the most exciting SUVs to watch for the 2027 model year. If Ford delivers everything that's expected, the new Explorer could once again set the benchmark for family SUVs in America.